Before we get started with this video, please feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this one. Hey guys, welcome back again, and in today's lesson we are going to learn about physical description, which in Spanish is descripción física. Descripción física. So let's start. Straight hair in Spanish is cabello liso. You can also say pelo liso. Cabello and pelo is exactly the same thing. What about wavy hair? Cabello ondulado. Cabello ondulado. What about short hair? Cabello corto. Cabello corto. Now try to say long hair in Spanish, which is cabello largo. Cabello largo. What about blue eyes? Ojos azules. Ojos azules. How do we say green eyes in Spanish? Ojos verdes. Ojos verdes. Now try to say brown eyes in Spanish. Ojos marrones. Ojos marrones. Short is bajo. Tall is alto. Alto. Thin is delgado, or you can also say delgada. If you are talking about a male, you have to say delgado. But if you are talking about a female, you have to say delgada. So, delgado, delgada. How do we say in Spanish beautiful or handsome? Guapo or guapa. It's the same example. If you are talking about a male, you have to say guapo. But if you are talking about a female, you can say guapa. So, guapo, guapa. What about ugly in Spanish? Ugly in Spanish is feo or fea. Feo, fea. How do you say beard in Spanish? Barba, barba. Now try to say mustache in Spanish. bigote, bigote. What about what color are your eyes? ¿De qué color son tus ojos? ¿De qué color son tus ojos? And how can we answer this? For example, I have brown eyes. Tengo los ojos marrones. Tengo los ojos marrones. And how do you say what color is your hair in Spanish? ¿De qué color es tu cabello? ¿De qué color es tu cabello? Now try to say, I have short blonde hair in Spanish. Yo tengo el cabello corto y rubio. Tengo el cabello corto y rubio. I have long brown hair. In Spanish is Yo tengo el cabello largo y marrón. Yo tengo el cabello largo y marrón. How do we say she has red hair? If we are talking about a female. Ella tiene el cabello rojo. Ella tiene el cabello rojo. So that's all. See you in the next class. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Also, if you have any question, please leave the question in the comments below. If you would like the full version of this class, you can click on the link in the description below. Thank you and see you in the next video.